Hi everyone, welcome back. You might be using your Android phone every day, but there's a big chance your default apps are set completely wrong, and that can slow things down or make your phone annoying to use. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Android default apps the right way in just a few seconds. Let's jump in. First, open the Settings app. This is the main control center where you can manage everything like security, privacy, notifications, apps, and system preferences. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down carefully and look for Apps, Applications, or sometimes App Management, depending on your phone model. Tap on it to open the App Settings menu. Inside this section, you will see an option called Default Apps or Choose Default Apps. Tap on it. This is where Android lets you control which apps open automatically for different actions like browsing, messaging, calling, or opening links. Now you will see different categories such as Browser app, Phone app, Messaging app, and Home app. Tap on any category you want to change. For example, if you tap on Browser app, you will see a list of installed browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Opera. Simply select your preferred app, and it will instantly be set as the default. From now on, whenever you open a link or perform that action, your chosen app will launch automatically. You can repeat this process for other categories to fully customize your Android experience and make your phone faster and more convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any useful Android tips, tricks, and hidden features.